Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Zero to Infinity. So in this video I will tell you how to fix Twitter limit problem. So many of you users facing this problem. So what's problem is that in Twitter limit reached problem came out. So when you try to tweet something and follow something, this problem came out. So this problem came on me. I also facing this problem yesterday, so I will tell you how to fix this problem. First of all, you need to open your setting. In setting you need to go to apps, and then here there you need to search Twitter, and after searching Twitter you need to go to Twitter and do some settings. What sort of setting you need to do at Twitter? So let's start this. First of all, go to storage and clear a cache of storage, and after clearing the storage you need to go to the app permission of Twitter. So in app permission of Twitter you need to enable all the permission one by one, and make sure you enable all the permission and don't deny any permission. And after enabling permission, go to other permission. In other permission, 4 or 5 permission are there. You need to enable all this permission. So after this you need to go to restrict data usage option, and if this option is turn off you need to turn on it. And after you turn it on you need to scroll down, and a clear default option came out. You need to click on it and your problem will be solved. So that's the method number first. And the second method is you need to log in your Twitter ID at any browser like Chrome, Opera, and try to surf down, and your problem will be solved. Thank you guys. Keep supporting our channel Berozgar Engineer for more and more interesting and knowledgeable videos.